What's up, guys? And this is my first time talking in a game. So let's do this. So this is my first time talking, as you know, in a game, and I just started. I just installed this. Let's go, buddy. What the heck? I don't understand this. That's all? This is so bad. Oh! Supposed to. Yeah, okay, now I get what you're supposed to do. I unlocked my pigeon. Ooh! Ah! Great, let's do this. Oh my god, I'm so bad. I need a lot more work, but I have to go switch with my pigeon. Let's go, buddy. Oh god, so bad. This is the worst gameplay you have ever seen, right? Oh, there we go, finally. I think my pigeon is too fast. I'm just gonna be like, Watch. Okay. Pigeon, calm down. Yes. Let's go. Oh my god! I'm gonna rage quit. Stage 2, okay. What does this bomb do? Ow. That hurt. Come on, buddy. Oh, God. Oh, you need me. I'm gonna eat you. Alive. Oh, no. Labanya. Okay. Calm down. Okay, calm down. Calm down. Oh, come on. Oh, so close. Just one. I got 31. Wait, I got, oh my god. New high score. Oh god. I try my best. Okay. We can actually try them. Interesting. So what should we try? Leave your comments below. The one with the black, the one with blue, or black and white with the blue. Well, thank you for watching.